Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make APA format references. First, let's break down the essential components you'll need for any source. We'll then explore how online tools can simplify this process, saving you time and effort. Finally, I'll share some common examples and helpful tips to ensure your reference list is perfectly formatted and ready for submission. This easy method will boost your academic writing confidence. Every APA reference relies on 4 key pieces of information: the author, the publication date, the title of the work, and the source where it can be retrieved. Think of it as the who, when, what, and where. Learning to quickly spot these elements in any book, article, or website is the first step to creating accurate references. We'll cover their correct order and specific formatting next. To make the process even easier, consider using online citation generators. Websites like Purdue OWL or Zotero Bib are excellent resources. Simply input the author, date, title, and source information into the designated fields. The generator will then produce a correctly formatted APA reference for you to copy and paste. Always give it a quick review to ensure all details are accurate before finalizing your list. Let's look at some common examples. For a book, you'll typically have the author, year, title, and publisher. Journal articles include the author, year, article title, journal title, volume, issue, and page numbers. Remember to use a hanging indent for every reference, where the first line is flush left and subsequent lines are indented 1/2 inch. Finally, always alphabetize your entire reference list by the author's last name.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.